In this video, we'll be showing you how to replace a lid liner and a seal from the metal lid. The lid liner does not have to be replaced as often as the rubber seal. This is because the polyurethane material is relatively durable compared to the rubber seal. Rubber seal is also durable, but it is required that it gets replaced so it prevents any leaking from the barrel itself. In this instance, we are demonstrating how to replace a lid liner and a rubber seal so that you can see how both are done. Once you are finished adding the rubber seal to the perimeter of the lid liner, that part of the process is complete. At this point, you can add the liner back to the metal lid and the rest of the process is done. And this is how you replace a lid liner and seal on the lid. Thank you for watching.